Hey everyone, how's it going? And welcome back to the channel. So, do you guys know that I did magic back in high school? I don't know. I bet you don't, because all the videos that I posted, it was all the way back. So yeah, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you about all my magic stuff, what I use to perform magic, and I'll show you guys what I have with me right now. So this morning I went to Little India Wet Market. I believe that's the name of the market, and it was just crazy, you know. Wow, and it was quite a scene. So one thing that I realized is that it is quite beautiful, colorful. A lot of things, like you can get everything that is fresh down there. And one thing that is like special is that if you want to hear 4 languages shouting, screaming across, you should really visit that market. So anyway, let's get back to the topic. So let me just share with you what I have right here. So I have a lot of DVDs, magic DVDs. I'm not gonna go into details about the DVDs, so because then it will be a long video. So I have 2 boxes right next to me, and I'm gonna take out everything one by one and show you guys. Okay, wow, interesting. So I got a lot of dollar bills. These I perform to, you know, switch the currency. Yeah, probably that. Another DVD, which I'm gonna put this aside. Here's some cards and DVD. Same here. We got some random number dice, and we got a lot of magic card. I don't know what they are. I'm gonna get back into it. Yeah, we've got some prediction cards, some more prediction cards, a paper. Let's see what's inside. I think this is probably also a prediction. Oops. A lot of dice and ropes. Yep. And my dad's credit card. I don't know why is that in here, but let's move on to the next box. Mostly I have cards, but I think this is the card box. Yep, bicycle, cards, more cards, more cards. Ooh, yeah, these are all cards, but I found something. Photos. I don't know why I printed out these. Okay, that's the football team that I play in for quite a while now. More photos from the camp. Photos. Ooh. Oh, this was me being model. So yeah, I think that's about it. There's nothing much in here. There's another DVD and a card holder. This was given by my friend, yeah, during my birthday. I can't remember which year, but yeah, I remember him. I think this was given by Kok Liang and Sung Sing back in high school. So thank you guys. So I think that's it, but I'm missing all my cards. I have a lot. I used to have a lot, so let me go and find them. So good news guys, I have found all my cards. So let's go through one by one. This is Singapore Airlines. I don't think it will be a good quality cards. These are the standard bicycle cards, which I like them because they're cheap. Yep, and yeah, very good. What's next? There's another bicycle, but it's some kind of a cool back design. This one I bought it for like a $1 in Indonesia because I really like the design. So yep. Okay, it's stuck. Okay. It's pretty. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Look at that. Box black, but the cards inside are white. And the cards are really nice. Incredible playing cards. Check out the back design. Oops. Let's put that aside. What the hell? Two markers. This one I haven't opened it yet. Paris playing card. I don't think this will be good. Ooh, these are pretty good ones. Love Me. This is the back design. Yeah, Love Me. Okay, there's 5 more. Oh, I really like this one. I'm gonna show you in that. These are the expensive one. I think I paid around $15 for one card. I mean, a deck of cards. Another bicycle. Skull deck. Pretty cool, but they're all worn out. More bicycle. And okay, this one's pretty much my first deck of cards. So yeah, these are pretty special. All the cards are different. So we got 4, 10. They're all different. Let me find some cool cards. Okay, I think 3 of spades. It's pretty cool. What else? Here we have Queen of Diamonds, sorry. King of Hearts. They are pretty cool. So that's why I bought it, and that's how I got into it. And yeah. So from now onwards, since like there's not much things to do at home apart from working out, you know, editing some vlogs, yeah, I think I'm gonna get back into magic. So yeah, that's why I started digging these out, and yeah, gonna start practicing some cardistry. Yeah, I used to do a lot of cardistry also. These are some of the things that I still in my muscle memory. So yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna be doing a lot of magic, and yeah, a lot of magic, and maybe some cooking videos, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in another vlog.